Hello everyone, welcome to the Photo Poster Online Training course. In this episode, I would like to show you how to replace the NovaStar T50 controller card step by step. Also, I will explain more about the cable connection inside of the box, controller box, because many cables there. And if you understand how the cables are connected together, it will be easy for you to do the maintenance work. The NovaStar T50 controller card is built inside of this controller box. Once we loosen the two screws, then we can see it. But we need to turn off the power first. Turn off it. And then loosen the screws. Controller card is fixed onto the box while 4 screws. We can loosen the screws again one by one. Then loosen the cable. It's a USB cable and another cable. We have another 2 screws, 2 small screws here, and let's try to okay, now we have loosened all screws. Then we can replace the card with a new one. Now let's put it back and fasten all the screws. Let's start from the power port. This is the AC power. From the power port, then goes to the power switch. Then from power switch, 2 cables go to the power supply, and from the power supply we have 2 cables back, a red one and a black one, to the T50L power switch. This is the small size power switch for the controller, and then from this power switch to the controller, T50 controller. So this is the power cable, and you can use your hand to pull out the cable. So when you do the maintenance, it will be easier. Also for the power switch. If suppose one day that the power switch is not working, you can disconnect the cables from the power port to the power switch. Then you can connect the cables directly to the power port. This is the power cable, and let's see the net cable. We have one Ethernet cable from the T50 controller, then connect to the receiving card, then all the way goes up. A USB cable from here, then goes to this port. This is basic for the program setup, and this is the antenna cable for the Wi-Fi, and we have one more net cable. This is mainly for the splicing work. When the resolution of the spliced posters more than the capacity of the controller, then we will use this port.